Alam mo, ti, dalawa lang ang French toast nila. This is my favorite, French toast. And there's sweet, omelette, and ano yan, te? Omelette, vegetable, mushroom.
Mushroom and spinach.
Yay! Perfect breakfast with coffee, of course. Look at my breakfast. So perfect. Feels like I'm in Italy.
Yung bayaran, Tim, hindi mo na nasa.
Butang yellow.
Ay, dapat hindi. Pagpabiro.
Pag 12 ito mga eggs, okay lang kayo na ikape. Mas mura pa niya sa 15 na ikape. 12 lang na mga eggs.